Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Grow with Sakshi, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. So the ones who are new to my channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon besides it so you don't miss my upcoming videos. So guys, जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि मैंने इन दिनों आप लोग के साथ काफ़ी हायरिंग वीडियो शेयर करी है एंड आई होप आप सभी में अप्लाई कर रहे होंगे एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि आप सिर्फ एक अपॉर्चुनिटी के पीछे ना जाए. Try for multiple opportunities, and as I always mentioned, have multiple offers in your hand. Only then you have that opportunity to take your decisions, because when you have multiple offers, no, you can compare different things like your salary package, your locations, the projects, the company culture, right? So that's why I'm saying have multiple offers in hand and apply in every possible opportunity which I'm sharing. Okay, is now again I'm back with another hiring video, and this going to be an amazing hiring video because the package is very good and the company itself is very renowned company, which is Zoho. So Zoho is hiring for software developer and content technical writer. Okay, so both the software developer role is a very technical role, as you all know, and then this content or technical writer role. So make sure the last date for registration is 31st of March 2025. So please apply as soon as possible. After this video itself you can apply, because in this video we're gonna discuss each and everything about this hiring. Okay, so the role they are hiring for is software developer. Years of experience is 0 to 2 years. The skill set they are looking for is C++ and Java. Year of graduation up to 2025. 2026 students are not eligible for this test process. So guys, if you are from 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, so have covered all the passing year candidates. Okay, only 2026 students are not eligible. Up to 2025 graduates can apply in this drive. Okay, so there is no such criteria except for 2026 candidates. Okay, let us discuss about the job description. Design and develop high volume low latency applications for mission critical systems. Delivery high availability and performance. Contribute in all phases of the product development lifecycle. Write well designed testable and efficient code. Ensure its designs are in compliance with specification. Prepare and produce releases of software contents components. Support continuous improvement by investigating alternatives. Now the second role we will be talking about, content or technical writer. Again, the year of experience is 0 to 2 years, and the same years of graduation are eligible in this as well. Like up to 2025 candidates can apply in this drive. 2026 are not eligible. For this, the job description are as follows. Collaborate with internal team to obtain in-depth understanding of the product. Plan and execute end-to-end content development activity. Organize and write easy to understand online help manuals. Review the content with the editorial team and other stakeholders. Revise documents and provide updates as necessary. Contribute to creating rich content resources, articles, ebooks. Choose the best channel to promote the content. Measure and analyze content's effectiveness with metrics to improve the quality of content and implement insights in the future. Requirements: experience in technical writing of software documentation, excellent written skills in English, expertise in MS Word, Zoho, Writer and online help, strong understanding of web technologies and applications, grasps domain and technical concepts with ease, patience and perseverance to author content through the iterative approach, delivers high quality output by paying attention to details, passionate about writing. So guys, here there are important note. Kindly note that the work location could be anywhere in Tamil Nadu. So they are hiring for Tamil Nadu location, and we expect the candidates to work from the location informed post the interview process. Only shortlist candidate will be receiving an update regarding the further interview process. Kindly refrain from taking up multiple interviews with Zoho simultaneously. So guys, the location as mentioned by them is Tamil Nadu. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, any particular location they can give you after your interview. Okay, so guys, after your interview, during your interview itself, they're gonna tell you about the location. Okay, so if you got shortlisted, you have to be there in that particular location. Okay, we might also withdraw the offer if required. Okay, and nahi. Please be noted that we will not be able to proceed further if you are not found to be a part of various processes at the same time. So guys, make sure you are not taking up multiple interviews at Zoho. So if you got rejected, they have your data with them, so they can even withdraw their offer if required. So kindly refrain from attending any interview process if you have already been employed with Zoho. So here you need to fill some relevant details. They have asked your name, your email, your mobile number, your college, your degree like this, BA, BBA, BSc, etc, etc, whichever degree you belongs to. Okay, and after that your year of graduation, applying role. Okay, so here you need to choose whichever role you are applying for, or make sure you can apply for only one role, either software developer or a content writer role. Okay, and then your current CTC if you are an experience, because this hiring is up to 2 years of experience. So if you are experienced, make sure you write your current CTC, your expected CTC. Okay, and then your notice period. Notice period, if you are an immediate, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever your notice period is, make sure you write your skill set, in which technologies you have worked, your complete address, your native district, your state, nationality, and make sure you attach your resume in such a way, prepare your resume, add all the possible keywords from the job description. Okay, like here expertise in MS Word, Zoho, because it increases your chances and it increase your ATS score. And yeah guys, I'll be back with more such opportunities. Keep supporting Grow with Sakshi. Bye bye.